Bayan, magandang umaga, no, ang Kuya Ed. Ah, meron po tayong nalaman, detailed and info, na appropriately budget is concerns of 15 billion insight para po sa Sandatahan Lakas for the AFP for a general comprehensive project all over the AFP amounting of 15 billion. Please bear in mind, Mr. Brownie, you will never find justice in the world where the criminal makes a rule. General Browner or Brownie, be reminded. Yan ba ang rason kung bakit parang ikaw ay hilong talelong at ikaw ay parang natatalian? You cannot decide appropriately in the need prospectively for the AFP to defend our people, our country against an enemy whatsoever. It is a law prescribed and we oath of that kinds of law. We oath that we, as a soldiers of the Filipino peoples, protect the dignity and the freedom of this country, our people, and our loved ones in case of war or peace. This oath reminds us as being leader of the armed forces of the Philippines. But the shadow had been caught in another side of colors. General Brownie. And that is the reason why you did not act in the shouts, in the voice of our people. And that is the reason why. Remember this one. You came from the Philippine Military Academy. Your budget during that times came from the taxes of our people. Until now. But you accept the paid remark of this traitor administrations of this goddamn government under Marcoses and their crony. Sa palagay mo ba, Mr. Brownie, you follow the rules, you follow the law, you protect the people, our country, is stated to our Constitution? I will not waiting for your answer, Sana Bagan. But you did wrong. You have only one split time and chances. Choose your right as a leader, as an officer and men in uniform. Respect the pledge that the dignity and courage you owe in our flag. You accept the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. We are waiting for your decision.